On June 18, 2025, Iran surprised the world by launching a mysterious missile toward Israel that appeared to rise so high it reached the outer layers of Earth's atmosphere. The shifting colors in the missile's plume, from red-orange to white, suggest different fuels were burning at various altitudes and stages. The transition from a dense smoke trail to a lighter, more dispersed one indicates the missile likely entered the mesosphere or even higher, at least 60 kilometers above the Earth's surface, where the air becomes thin and atmospheric drag significantly decreases. Reports say it was Iran's Misterious missile, a serious piece of technology that signals the war between Iran and Israel is entering a deadly new phase. So what exactly is this Misterious missile? How dangerous is it? And what else does Iran have up its sleeve that could shock the world? The Iran-Israel war is becoming increasingly dangerous. The use of the Misterious missile is clear proof of that. This type of missile isn't used unless a country wants to send a very serious message. Both sides are now clearly preparing to deploy heavier and more deadly weapons. And with the US hinting at possible direct military involvement, the conflict could quickly escalate into a much larger regional war. So what is the Misterious missile? Introduced back in 2008, the Misterious is a two-stage solid-fueled ballistic missile, and that makes it different from many of Iran's other missiles. The Misterious missile operates in two powerful stages. Stage 1 lifts it off the ground with intense thrust and blazing speed. Then Stage 2 kicks in, propelling it even higher, so high that it can soar up to 500 kilometers into the sky, brushing the edge of outer space. This long-range missile travels at a jaw-dropping speed of over Mach 14 times the speed of sound, giving enemy defenses little to no time to react. With a reach of 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers, it can easily strike deep inside Israel, hit US bases in the Gulf, or even threaten parts of Europe. Its impact is devastating. It can flatten major military bases, ports, or critical infrastructure within seconds, making it one of the most dangerous missiles in Iran's arsenal. Iran reportedly used it to target a sensitive military site in Israel during the recent escalation, shortly after the US signaled it might intervene. It's likely that Iran was sending a clear message to the United States. If you enter the war, we can strike your bases across the region. Iran is believed to have dozens, maybe even over 100 Misterious missiles. Each one is estimated to cost around $2 to $3 million, which is actually cheap compared to its impact. And since it uses solid fuel, it can be launched quickly and without much preparation, making it hard to stop. Iran developed the Misterious with the help of its own scientists, possibly using North Korean and Chinese tech as inspiration. But it's now fully Iranian-made. So the big question, is this Iran's most dangerous weapon? The Misterious is definitely one of the most powerful missiles in Iran's arsenal, but Iran still has plenty of surprises up its sleeve. In the shadows are cruise missiles and low-flying drones designed to sneak past air defenses, as well as long-range drones like the Shahed 149, which can carry heavy payloads over vast distances. Iran has also hinted at using surprise weapons in future conflicts, possibly including EMP attacks, cyber warfare tools, or even more advanced hypersonic missiles. The firing of a Misterious missile at Israel is not just a military move, it's a warning. Iran is showing it's ready to go to the next level, and if this trend continues, this war could pull in bigger powers and spiral into a region-wide disaster.